Are you a Nigerian? You want to learn how to earn in dollar and cash out in naira? Just stick around. I'll show you step by step on how to go about it.
Ìjọba yá kí ló wà ọmọ who dey check, who dey balance, who get the mind, who wan check am, who dey come, who dey come, who dey come, tell me who dey come, who dey come, who dey safusa, who dey sususe, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣá, wọ́n káyà, ó sọnù lápá mi, ọmọ romi, ládàá.
Hello guys, my name is Junior Ferdinand. Can I have just few minutes of your time? I want to tell you something that you can be doing and be making up to $100 to $1,000 monthly by just doing affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply promoting other people's products or recommending other products to other people, and you get commission whenever the people purchase that product. It's a very simple something. For example, if you go to a store and get something and somebody asks you, where did you get this thing? And you tell the person that, look at this social shop where I got this thing, and the person went there and bought it, and you went back to those people and say, wow, the thing is, I would love to be doing business with you people. Whenever I recommend your product to other people, how much will you be paying me? Whenever I recommend a product, your people product to other people, how much will I get paid? Then if they agree, you people strike a deal, and whenever you tell people about the product and they come to the shop and buy, they find out that you are the person that recommended that person. You get paid in you'll be paid your commission for bringing in people to get that product. So that's the way it is. Digistem affiliate marketing is an online affiliate marketing where you get paid in dollars for recommending other people's products. These products are digital products. They are not physical products. It's not a product that you can touch. It's just a product that is it's not a product that you can touch. It's just a product that has value. It's a product that is not physical. It's not physical product. It can be something in form of PDF. It can be something that you read to learn something. It can be anything. It's not thing that you can touch. It's not a physical product. Physical product is like pen, biro, food, anything that you can feel is what they call physical product. But digital product is what you cannot feel. It's either you get the knowledge of that particular thing or you achieve something. That's a digital product. Digistem is also offering a course that teach you step by step on how to start affiliate marketing. It teach you step by step on how to start affiliate marketing. It will break everything down to make sure you make nothing less than $100 to $1,000 by just selling people products. It's very, very okay. It's very simple. Affiliate marketing is very one of a kind. It's the one of the easiest way to make money online. But mind you, it's not Ponzi scheme. It's not Ponzi scheme. It's not bring two people and bring another two people. No, it's not network marketing. It's not referral. It's not referrals. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending other people product, the product you never created, and recommend it to other people. If those people get it, you get paid for for recommending that product to those people. And this ultimate money machine course that is offered by Digistem, it will teach you step by step on how to go about how to start making sale, how to sell, even though you don't have any experience. Even though you don't have experience, as far as you can read and write, you are good to go. That's the truth. As far as you can read and write, and one of the interesting thing about this is it gives you templates. Template means something that will help your work easier, or let me call it like a guide, a simple guide. Template is simply things that make your work easier. It's like guidelines. It's a step by step that teach you something. Maybe they can't you will learn many other things. So to join Digistem affiliate marketing, I will be hosting a free class teaching you step by step on how Digistem affiliate marketing is all about. So if you are interested, anywhere you get this video, if you are interested, you can get back to the person that gave you this video. If it is on YouTube that you see it, click on the link below. If it's on WhatsApp or anywhere you see it, just check around, you see the link that will connect you to the person that will connect, that will get you to, that will explain everything about Digistem step by step.